Hi, how are you today? Today I'm doing a special St. Patrick's Day collaboration with two of my favorite artists and good friends, Catherine from Catherine the Paint and Julie from Acrylic Pouring with Julie E. These lovely women inspire me, they support me and encourage me, and of course they make me laugh all the time. And I'm really grateful for them both. So please make sure you check out their videos. The links will be in the description box below for their channels and their collaboration videos. We would genuinely appreciate it if you watched and commented on our videos, and of course if you subscribe to all of our channels. There's so much good content between all of our channels, and I'm sure you will enjoy it all. So the parameters of the collaboration were to use green and metallics. So I'll be doing a swipe using the base color Artist Loft Metallic Green. And for my swipe colors, I'm using Artist Loft Bronze, DecoArt's Metallic 24 karat Gold and Pearl, and Pebeo's Studio Acrylics in Iridescent Green Yellow. So with my love-hate relationship with 24 karat gold, I layered that on the bottom, and then I put the bronze over top of that, hoping that I can tone down the 24 karat gold and minimize it a little bit while also brightening up the bronze. The bronze, I love bronze, but it can kind of be a little flat. I love the effects that the golds create, but I don't always want the brightness or the hue of it. But I think with this bright green, it'll work really well. So the metallic pearl is for contrast, and the iridescent green yellow for a pop of color and to add that shift effect that iridescent paint provides. So my paper towel is I just spray it down with a spray bottle of water, and I'm trying to go slowly here. I don't mind I do want the negative space, so that's why I'm not using a whole lot of this white paint. So my canvas is a 12 by 16 low profile value canvas. This is my first swipe video, and probably only about the 6th time that I've done a swipe at all. My inspiration is from the beautiful art of Cathleen at Coz Creations, and I am using her pouring medium, one of her pouring mediums. I see she uses her ratios different sometimes, but this is the 1 part golden GAC 800 to 1 part Floetrol, so 50-50. I'm not using any silicone. And my base paint is ever so slightly thicker than my swipe colors, I guess. I'm using a few of them there. So my goal for achieving better pours of any technique really is learning the art of editing. I think this is the hardest part for me, specifically when I try to fix the parts that I don't like. Trying to figure out how to fix them, when to stop fixing them before I ruin it or make it even worse. Often aiming for an even better result is when I get a much worse result than what I started with. But I wanted it a little bit brighter in the center here. I love that the edges are a little bit uneven and kind of random along there. I really like how it's not just a straight line of, you can tell where my swipe started, and I just like the way it kind of turned out here. And really the only part that I don't like about this is, to me, I can see the definitive line of where I went back and swiped the 2nd time. But I'm going to leave it as it is because I'm 80% happy with this at this point, and to me that is my goal, is to get it where I'm at least 80% happy with it. So I'm going to leave it. where it is, and I will bring you in for a close-up here. Oh, after I try to remove this one little piece of schmutz that landed in it. Don't want to stick my finger in it because metallic paint is pretty sensitive, and you can really see marks in it when you mess with it too much. So I love this color combination. The bronze against the gold was a really good decision. I think they work really well with each other. Like I said, I like the uneven random lines of where the swipe colors meet the background. It maybe could have benefited if I blew out the swipe line back into the background paint a little bit, but I was worried that I was going to stretch out that gold too much. And I didn't want to have gold overtaking the whole visual of it. But I like how it sells out. I like how I got some wispy lines that kind of blend out into the negative space. I love that bronze and gold against each other. I'm really quite happy with it. The more that it dried, the more I liked it. So here's one orientation with the swipe going up, and here's the other orientation with the swipe going down. Let me know what you think of which orientation you like better. Here is the dry results. Only took about 2 days to be completely dry. I will let it cure for a couple of weeks before I put any type of varnish on it. It dried really well, and I'm really happy with this piece. So please check out Catherine and Julie. Thanks for hanging out.